Okay. Hello, guys. So today we have been away for 5 days on vacation. We took our children to the beach. Came back. Now not been in the rain at all. Now just came back today. I think it's about to rain now, but I'll still try to water still in case. Because sometimes you will not get the amount of rain you need to soak your plant well. So when I came back, I was look guys, come, look at the growth on this bed, guys. You see, I told you again, at the end of August, the whole bed will be filled with flowers. You can see the growth of them. And the one I want to see mostly the linear. The more the seeds are just spread around in the bed, they're just about to flower soon. All these are zinnias. But look at it, super tunia, vista, bubblegum. Petunia, look all the cleome all in the back. Begonia, celosia, more begonia in the back. You can hardly see the basket and the container anymore. Most of this one, look at the growth of this. That's how I told you when you plant, try to wash your bed hot in the water for 5 days and still looking this good. But look at this. Look at the zinnia. I planted from seeds. It about to bloom. You can see, look at this. You see, look how tall they are. Oh, just a pineapple stage. I can't wait to see the flower on that. But look at the container. You can hardly see the container anymore. Yeah? You can see it about to rain now. So, now, everything's looking good. I feel happy. Everything's looking good. Like, I mean, look at back here. I mean, knowing that now, I feel happy to come here because I was worried about the garden. You can see it dry some, but not too much. So they're going to water. If we get more rain, that'd be nice. See? They have not had any water for 5 days, guys. 5 days. Now, decorate something. Okay. Even though it's about to rain, but you can see that. Why you doing your garden when it's about to rain? Because I'm not sure how much rain you're going to get. Even let's go in the garden and look at the growth on this the garden. Look at that. Look at the growth of this. Everything's there growing. But look at my field. I mean, I have to come back and I need to harvest. When I come to harvest, I'm going to take the good leaves off from this. But look at it. This container I put in the ground. Stay in the container. How much? Then, okay, look, guys, look. My water meter is coming in. You see that, guys? There's a sugar baby watermelon coming in. Look on the side. Oh, I'm so happy. I mean, to see your garden still looking good, make you happy. But look at the hibiscus. And also, more sugar baby watermelon coming in. Look. You see that, guys? Look. Yeah, it's time to harvest. Squash, peppers, everything coming in. You see, a lot of rabbit in my garden. Now, Oh, I just love it. Look at this, guys. Just look at it. Look how large this is. I'm not sure what kind. It looks more like a anti-rose color. So I just love it. I just love it. Nice. Everything looking good. It's about to rain now. Now, the reason I came here to show you, they have some wind that blew everything down, but no rain at all. Now we are back at the house. It's starting to rain today, and that's good. So them go ahead and lift everything up there, and you can stay there. You can come and see it what I want to do. So they're coming here, guys. I know it's raining, but I don't mind because being back in the garden made me happy. Now I worry about my garden so much, guys. You guys had no idea how worried I was. I was on vacation with my children, my husband at the beach, but I was so worried about the garden. So if you see here, I'm gonna pull this back. This is roses, oh, Sharon. I'm gonna pull this back, and also I'm gonna use something to pull the hydrangea back too, and pull everything back here. Yeah, I hope you can see that, guys. So just go ahead and start it to this tree here. I think I need that cause something to stick this with for today. Let's do this because I came home to see that make me so unhappy. Now let me go ahead and just tie this to not be permanent, just temporary. Now also I just using my yoga pants to hold this back. Okay. Move this all the way back there. Yeah, now it's lifted. Now, yeah, a lot better. Just go in there and yeah, you can see the statue, right? A lot better. I think next time I'll try to trim more up, just so you can see more of the part and the statue as well. Needs to be trimmed up. It's at my pasta, but I love the flower it gives. Now, also, I want to show you the container we did not too long ago, right? Confirmed nursery. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. You see, it looks good. Very, it looks very nice. Give all the plants some water. I'm so glad it was raining, but this is not enough to water all your plants well. And you need to soak. I still need to prune this hydrangea. I never know this. But I will. That's how I water my garden, guys. Planting grass, looking good, but look at the play me. The my container here. Well, you know, a lot of people don't like the smell of clay meat, but I do. It smells so nice. Now, also I can do, I am going to plant some English thyme here. It smells so good. Oh. After, coming home, you can smell if you rub your hand on this and smell that. It smells so good. So they're going to put one here and two in here. Okay? It's my old spoon. Sometimes I use this outside, not in the kitchen anymore. This is old. Just go ahead and dig in the soil here. Natural fertilizer. Take this time. Nothing to teeth. You can put that in there. This English thyme, and it smells so good. I thinking coming in the house, just rub your hand on this and smell. Also, if I need some thyme, I have it in the garden on the deck. Maybe I need one more because it's gonna spread. Okay, take our thyme and put that to trail. It's gonna trail. Oh, around here being nice. Oh, good. Now turn around. Also, you can see some mint I have in here. A juca, the one I planted. I told you you can when it starts to grow, you can divide them and replant. I did it here before, and I show you guys how to do that, right? So then move this back. I just looking for area to add more herb. I just love herbs, guys. Don't you? You can cook it with them. The bugs, don't let them. So if you plant your vegetable, you can add herb in there. It helps. The rosemary, thyme, oregano, all the things help keep the pest at bay. Okay, put that there. This. I was thinking of putting something here, but because this gonna die, begonia, then next time I can add herb in there. So just because they tell you it's gonna rain, unless you know how much rain, still try to water your plant because no guarantee you can get that rain to soak up your plant, right? Oh, look at that. Just look at the concha, silver falls. This plant is gonna grow all the way there. I just love the way they plant have behave in the bed. I'm so happy, so happy. But look at the miracle. They too, you know, we are in August now. This plant will grow more because they love the heat. All the plants, they love the heat. Sabina. Look at it. This one is native. I just love the flower. Look at the flower. But this pineapple face, I can't wait to see the flower on this because the flower from this will be red. And the hummingbird love that plant for the flower. As I see weed, I take out. Don't get weed chance because it will take over. So weed right there, take it out. Then this line right there. We take it out, go in there and take the thing out. When done, take it out to get you more from the radium, petunia in purple and red as well. Oh, but look, I can't believe this. Next year I'm going to grow more vineyard, knowing how fast they go. They go so fast, so fast. And it gave you a lot of flower. You guys saw me prune the flax. I show you how. You see, you get more flower now coming in. It's the same with the butterfly bush. You guys saw me prune. They're getting more flower. Okay, and that's how you grow your flower in your garden. Got this. They're going to improve this. Their helium. Go ahead and cut this. Go in there. This part is dead, but this is still green. That take the dead part off. See? Yeah. Now it's out. The way you clean this, you come at the bottom. Let me show you guys. You come all the way down. Where I know, just pull it back. You're going to break off the seam for this. Go in there. And that's it. You can see the coleus are planted from seed. It's coming up. It's coming up. Oh, everything. Happy, happy, happy. Now, I feel even more happier in the garden, knowing that everything looking good, and in time to even take care of them better, right? Let me go in here and see what else. I'm going to take all the weed. Just clean that up right there. But oh, look, come here, guys. Look, hydrangea in here. In this summer, hydrangea. But look at the plant. It's a lantana. Lantana. Yeah, I told you it's gonna grow more. Now we are in August. You can see the power of the plant. It's gonna spread, and all the plants, they all gonna spread. So the whole bed will be like a power plant bed, because it's going to give you show, guys. We can wait. Now, let me come out from here. That's wood that there from my garden. I just put it around here to get some structure to the bed, because at that time I just started doing the bed. I need something in here. So this one, nothing going to happen with this. Just take it out because it's all dead. Okay? And I'm now pulling it off. This way, if I find one more, that's how I'm leaving this here to tell me what the plant marker said for me. Okay? Half of the plant is dead, and half alive. Okay? Let's take it out from there. Yeah. Go in there. Now we are in August soon. All the plants at the garden center will go on sale. Land here, you can see at the bottom, they pull this off. They go in there and take the old one out, eat it, they pull it out. That's how you clean them. Yeah. Oh, this is a weed right there. Holding. You see? Easy to clean, right? New one that coming up, the babies. Easy to buy. You can take this and plant it someplace else. You can get more new plant you want to. See right there? Good. Looking good. Okay. Now we're done. More trouble coming up soon. Now we're in August. Now we're done with this bed. I prune, deadheaded, and weed, and water well. Now they go in my house, my garden now. It grows in my garden, guys. This is crazy, right? This is crazy. I get a lot of everything here. If you YouTube, if you hear music, it's not me. Somebody stuck in the car and playing music. I can't control everything, guys. Everything is looking good. I'm so happy. Although even this side too. Now we'll lift up back of the hydrangea plant and the roses or flower in the back as well. Now everything looking good from the back end. Oh, now, oh, this is nice. This is so nice. Hey, look at that. My roses coming in. There too. Taking the dead part off. Soon we have to do some harvesting. Because you can see that my pepper coming in. Oh, I need to plant one more pepper here. Right in there. Smoky color Lana Reaper. And then put the plant right in there. Pepper. Right in there. Put the soil back like that. Carolina Reaper. Hot pepper. Hot. But good. Now, the water the pepper. Well, I almost forgot. I know it's August because the pepper is all already grown. You can see pepper starting to come in. The one I got from the market. This is leeks, and I planted. This will turn into flower, and you can also come and have the leaves to cook with. It's onions, family. Okay? So, olive, peanuts, pepper. The water that too. Bell pepper. You see that, guys, right there? Bell pepper. They water that too. Look at the pepper. I can also come in here to do my harvesting and back out as well. So the front yard filled with edible and flowers as well. Now we are all done. Thank you again, and I will see you next time in our garden. Bye, guys. Bye.